What's up guys, thank you. So recently Huawei smartphone with model number MARAL00 was approved by Chinese 3C authority. A variant of the same phone was ported with model number MARLX1M at the Eurasian Economic Commission. Unconfirmed information suggests that the MARLX1M phone could be the upcoming Huawei P30 Lite mid-range phone. According to the rumors, the P30 Lite will be featuring a water drop notch screen, a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a vertical camera setup with triple lenses. The Huawei P30 is expected to arrive with 6-inch OLED screen with under-display fingerprint reader. Since the size of the display of the P30 Lite is almost same as P30 handset, it is likely that the Lite edition may feature a 6-inch. It will be an IPS LCD panel that will support Full HD resolution.